What's up guys, Shehbaz here. Today I have received Samsung's most updated clamshell flip smartphone named Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G is the South Korean company's new clamshell smartphone. Compared to the first attempt, Galaxy Z Flip, everything has improved here, from the film on the screen to the opening mechanism. At the same time, the price is dropped significantly. All the details are in our full review of the novelty. Please sit tight, watch the full video content. Coming up next. Alright, let's start unboxing. Here is a warranty card. Other paper documentation. Here is the best clamshell beast. We will discuss later. Here is another box. SIM tray ejecting key is here. Let's open it and see what's inside. A USB-C. Both sides have the same connectors. And here is a quick start guide. An IMEI token. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G comes in a slim little box as Samsung, following Apple's example, has stopped investing in charging accessories, so the package does not contain or include a fast charger. Alright, come back to the phone. Let's remove the cover first. Wow! This is classic. This is really a big deal. What a surprising clamshell. This is brilliant. Alright, here is a power button. Also uses as a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. A volume rocker. On the top, here is a secondary mic. On the bottom, there are tiny dual mic holes, a USB-C port, and a speaker grill. On the left side, here is a SIM tray. As for the cameras we will discuss, come further in the video. Let's start the device. The device has powered on and it seems wonderful. The display quality is awesome. The design of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G by today's standards can be said to be unique. Although earlier the clamshell form factor was perhaps the most popular among mobile phones, but now it is not just a phone, but a smartphone, and its main technical feature is not in a folding case, but in a flexible folding screen inside. Of course, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G is not the first attempt to make a clamshell out of a smartphone. In this case, it turned out so well that pre-orders and sale of the models are very satisfying for the company. The device turned out to be really okay. Medium-sized, neat, fits perfectly in any pocket and fits as well in the hand. But the main thing is that it looks fresh and not beaten. And this is now almost a fundamental factor for many people with prosperity, especially against the background of modern smartphones similar as twins. When folded, the smartphone, of course, cannot be called thin. It should be taken into account. But otherwise, there are no special complaints about ergonomics. It is quite possible to open it with one hand, to slam it back too. The materials of the case are extremely decent. The panels are finished with the most modern Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The side frame is made of durable, armor aluminium. The smartphone does not slip in the fingers. Fingerprints on the glass of the panels, with a grease-repellent coating, remain with difficulty and are quickly rubbed off. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G smartphone features a flexible AMOLED display, Super AMOLED, with a diagonal of 6.7 inches and a resolution of 1080 by 2640 pixels. The screen of the novelty has received a new protective film, which is 80% more wear resistant than in previous models. The physical dimensions of the screens are 65 by 158 mm. The dot density is 426 ppi. The width of the frame around the screen is 4 mm at the sides, 4 mm at the top and 4 mm at the bottom. The display supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz. On the back display, check messages, take photos, play music, and so much more. All without opening your phone. The 1.9 inches cover screen displays notifications, silky smooth scrolling with 120 Hz. On the 6.7 inches Infinity Flex display delivers smooth scrolling, swiping, dragging, and dropping. It even optimizes the refresh rate based on what you are viewing. And with Dynamic AMOLED 2X in the mix, it is the most vivid, brightest, and smoothest display in Galaxy Z Flip ever. The fingerprint scanner is embedded here in the power button on the side. A simple tap keeps the main screen for your eyes only. The fingerprint scanner puts secure and accurate unlocking right at your fingertip. There is no memory card slot, and there is no 3.5 mm audio output. The 10 megapixel front camera is hidden behind a circular cutout in the screen matrix, but it takes place right in the middle at the top. The notification LED is located on the outer panel with a small screen. This area is emphasized by a gloss of a darker color. The cover screen has selfies covered. No time to unfold, no problem. Take selfies with the 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel wide angle dual rear camera. The cover screen will give you a preview. Simply hit the volume button on the side to trigger the shutter. Capturing single take movements has changed for the better. Now you can take photos and videos more easily than you ever could before with the flex mode. All you have to do is adjust the angle and step back for hands-free selfies. Steady, set, go. Make shaky videos a style choice. Set Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G down on a flat surface, and flex mode acts as a tripod, holding the angle to stabilize the camera as you nail the shot on the first take. Make a splash with the world's first water-resistant foldable smartphone with an IPX8 rating. It can hang out in 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes without leaving the live stream. Scratches and damage are no match for this phone. The exterior front cover and back cover on Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G are made of the toughest Gorilla Glass yet on Galaxy Z. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, the most powerful glass on the world. Intelligent dual battery. Battery for your whole day and night. Get long-lasting battery life with 3300 mAh. It adjusts the power usage to your mobile habits, then keeps it going all day long. Our fastest processor now on Galaxy Z. The 5nm chipset is powered by upgraded GPU, CPU, and NPU, and with 8GB of RAM. Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G delivers gaming performance to satisfy your need for speed. You can play your favorite games all day without having worries because the Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes with 8GB of RAM. And Snapdragon 888 5G processor lets you freehand to play heavy games or watching your HD videos. Keep it together. Keep your graphics and video masterpieces right on your phone. With up to 256GB of storage, there is plenty of space of this Galaxy Flip. Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G has an eye-catching design and colors that will have all eyes on you. In Pakistan, new Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G is available in cream, phantom black, green and lavender color. Choose your next Galaxy clamshell right now. Samsung Pakistan has just announced Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G smartphone. Please check the link in the description. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share and comment below the video. Also, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.